हरिः ओम् शिवस्वर्णमालास्तुति श्लोका नम्बर् 22 छायास्थानोरपि तव तापं नमतां हरत्यहो शिवभो साम्ब सदाशिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगं छायास्थानोः अपि तव तापं नमतां हरति अहो हे शिव हे विभो. In some places the bho is also taken as Hey Prabho. That is also okay. Prabho means hey, one who is the Lord of everyone, one who is the leader, Isha for everything. Pashunam Patihi, that same artham only. So here now we'll see Tava sthanoho chaya api namatam tapam harati aho aha. We say, no, we have that ascharya exclamation. That is what here Acharya is saying. Aho, what an ascharyam this is. What a great, wonderful thing. What is so wonderful? Tava, your, sthanoho chaya api. Sthanu refers to Shiva only. Another nama for Shiva is Sthanu itself. Remember the story when Brahma and Vishnu had a quarrel among themselves as to who is higher than whom, and then a column of fire, a pillar of fire came that was telling them to find the Adi and Antam of that Jyoti. So because he came as that Sthanu, a pillar of fire, Shiva got the name Sthanu. This I am telling as my own interpretation. Nowhere it is given. And we know there are Ekadasha Rudra. The list, the names in the list of the Ekadasha Rudra, 11 Rudras vary. And one of the name, in some places they have given as Sthanu. And the list of the Ekadasha Rudra varies. In some places Sthanu will not be found. Other names will be found. The list varies. And I was only wondering why he got the name Sthanu, and it is my own interpretation that this story of how Brahma and Vishnu quarrels and how Shiva comes as a big Jyoti Rupam, as a column of fire, as a Sthanu, is my own interpretation. It is not found anywhere. I could be entirely right or entirely wrong, but we can take one of his nama as Sthanu just because the lingam is also like a Sthanu. That is an easier interpretation because we will see that when we understand the meaning of this shloka, we'll see Tava, your Sthanoho Chaya, the shadow of your Sthanu, your pillar, right? The lingam, if we take it as lingam, the shadow that falls from the lingam shadow, even that Harati, it removes, even that shadow has the Shakti to remove the tapam, the dukkham of whom? Namatam. Those who do namaskaram to you, their dukkham is removed. What is the dukkham referred to here? The samsara sagaram. The janana marana chakram, we go around and round, right? Jananam maranam, we are suffering. That dukkham, it is capable of removing. Which is capable of removing? Just the shadow of the lingam. Your Sthanu has the capability to remove the dukkham of those who do namaskaram to you. Hey Shiva, hey one who does mangalam to everyone. Hey Prabho or hey Vibho, hey Sarvavyapi, or hey one who is the Isha for everyone. Hey one who is along with Uma. Hey Sadashiva, hey Shambho, hey Shankara, I surrender to your padam. In Tamil, உமது ஸ்தானுவின் நிழல் கூட வணங்கும் பக்தர்களுடைய துக்கத்தை தாபத்தை போக்கி விடுகிறது. ஹே சிவ, ஹே எல்லோருக்கும் மங்களத்தை செய்பவரே, ஹே எல்லோருக்கும் ஈசனாக இருப்பவரே, ஹே உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே, ஹே சதாசிவ, ஹே சம்போ, ஹே சங்கர, உமது திருவடிகளே எனக்கு சரணம். I think we can see one more shloka. जय कैलास निवास प्रमथ गणाधीश भूसुरार्चित भो सांब सदाशिव शंभो शंकर शरणं मे तव चरण युगम. जय कैलास निवास प्रमथ गणाधीश भूसुरार्चित भो, हे विभो, otherwise हे प्रभो. कैलास निवास, where is his vasasthalam? In Kailasa. So, hey, one who is, all of it is Sambodhanam only, calling out to Shiva. Hey, one who is residing in Kailasa, Jayam to you. Pramatha Ganadhisha, one who is the Adhisha, Adhipati for all the Pramatha Ganas, all your attendants. They comprise of Nagas, Bhutas, Yakshas. So, hey, one who is the Adhisha, Adhipati of the Pramatha Gana. Next, hey, Bhusurarchita, hey, one who is worshipped by doing Archana. We say, right? By doing Archana. So, hey, one who is worshipped by whom? Bhusuras. Sura means Devas. Asura means Rakshasas. So, Sura, Bhu means refers to Bhumi. Those who are Devas in this Bhuloka. Who is that? Brahmanas are the ones who are Bhusuras. So, hey, one who is worshipped by the Brahmanas. Again, like I always say in all the audio, there is no division of class. The division was done by, it was man-made. Whatever was given in our Smritis and our Shastra says is, we have to, everyone was delegated with a department to take care of. Brahmanas were given the Vaidika Karyam to run the Jagat. Vaishyas were given the trading or business. And Kshatriyas were responsible for protecting the people and the land. Shudras will help the other three people, other three departments, so that there is a smooth functioning of this Jagat. That is how it was kept. Not that Brahmanas are higher than Kshatriyas or Kshatriyas are any less or Shudras are any less. Nothing like that. Just as how for the smooth running of a school, a principal takes care of certain jobs and staff members take other jobs and teachers do other roles. Like that, for the smooth functioning of this Jagat, it was kept like that. We have to learn to see it in the right perspective. All right. So, hey Vibho, hey Sarvavyapi, or hey one who is the Pati for all the Jivarashis, if we take it as Prabhu. Hey one who is along with Uma, hey Sadashiva, hey Shambho, hey Shankara, I surrender to your Padam. Tamil, hey Kailasathil Vasippavare, Pramatha Ganangalukku Talaivare, Bhusurargalal, illanaka Brahmanargalal, பூஜிக்கப்படுபவரே அர்ச்சிக்கப்படுபவரே ஜய உங்களுக்கு வெற்றி உண்டாகட்டும் விக்ட்ரி டு யூ ஹே பிரபோ ஹே உமையாளுடன் கூடியவரே ஹே சதாசிவ ஹே சம்போ ஹே சங்கர உமது திருவடிகளே எனக்கு சரணம். See the next shloka in the next audio. Ram Ram.